Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the top molecules or top API products which are there in the globally. So if you are thinking about starting a new business in pharmaceuticals or an API, then you must check the studies for top molecules or top API molecules. So I will be talking about today about the all 3000 API molecules landscaping, wherein we have done the benchmarking for top 50 and top 500 API molecules based on 15 or 16 parameters. So if I talk about Life Science Intellipedia, our core competency is into market research and regulatory services. And so far, we have delivered more than 5,000 projects globally, and it's an 8-year-old organization. So today I'm going to present the all active pharma ingredients API landscape analysis report for 3,000 molecules uh, based on global market. In this report, we have covered various parameters, more than 16 or 15 parameters. So which you can see on my screen. So if I talk about the the parameters, so if I talk about our approach or the sources from where we have collected the information, so as we are into market research, that is our prime source. We do primary research and secondary research and validation, and apart from that, we have 19 other sources from where we collect the information. And it's an extensive study which we have done on all the therapeutic areas, the generic, which the molecules which has become generic so far in all the 33 therapeutic areas, and there are more than 3,000 API molecules which we have found, and we have done the study on those 3,000 molecules. So here's the parameters of all the parameters which we have taken into consideration. So we have taken the market size in value wise and volume wise. Then we have taken the patent expiry, number of manufacturers, number of buyers, ADR, which is adverse during drug reaction, then the average price, import export ratings, import export growth ratings, expected growth rate, profit margins, raw material availability, and then the total rating. So for every parameter, we have given certain ratings. We have rating from 2 to 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So for some of the parameters, lower is the better, and for some parameters, higher is the better. For example, if we take the example of number of manufacturers, then lower the manufacturers are, better it is, because then will have a less competition in the market. In case of buyers, higher the numbers are, better it is. Then there are some technical aspects also which we have covered, like influence details, hazardous or non-hazardous, pollution risk, high or low, critical high risk, pollution risk, yes or no, technology availability in the prescribed region. So we've taken all the parameters, the technical and commercial parameters into the consideration, and based on all these parameters, we have done the extensive study of all the 3,000 molecules, API molecules. This is the biggest data available in the world, and it covers everything end to end about a particular product. So I'm going to show you an example uh, in Excel sheet how this report looks like. So we've taken an example of one of the API molecule. Uh, Here we can see the product name is Sevelamer. Uh, First, you get the product name, you get the product process, which is chemical. You get the synonyms, CAS number, application, product category, all the basic informations about the product. Then you get the global market size by volume, like I mentioned. Then we have given a rating for it. Then we are giving global market size by value, and then we have given a rating for it. Then region wise, we are giving the global market size information, both volume and value wise, which you can see here. European region, you can see here. US region, you can see here. APEC region, you can see volume and value wise. And then we are giving the expected growth in global market for each and every molecule. Apart from this, we are giving the previous 5 year analysis, the trend for past 5 years for every molecule, how it has been in the last 5 years. And that's the global analysis which we have done. Uh, we are giving this analysis based on both volume and prices. So both you can see here. And then we are giving the next 5 year future forecast or the analysis, uh, both volume and prices wise you can see here. And then you get the CAGR percentage, and then you get the market status, whether it is launched or not. Then you get to know about the disease for which it is going to be used, technology classifications, therapeutic classification for which therapeutic area it's going to be used. Then you get the uses like whether it is oral or injectable. It's going to be oral or injectable. Then you get the patent priority information, patent expiry for US, and then you get the rating for the patent expiry. Then you get the number of manufacturers globally for every molecule, for every product, and then you get the rating for it. Then you get the number of buyers globally, and then the rating for it. Then you get the ADR, which we call it as adverse drug reaction, and then there's a rating for it again. Then you get the MOA, which is mechanism of action, and the average price, and then the ratings for average price. Then you get the patent status, market status, future outlook, global demand, profit margin, and then the rating for profit margin based on all these parameters. Um, then you get the information like pollution risk, whether it is high or low, influent while manufacturing, hazardous waste, if there's any technology required to manufacture the API, whether what technology is required in order to manufacture the product, availability of the technology globally or region wise, we can provide, and then the critical or high risk processes, if there's any, how's the raw material availability, whether it is low, high, or moderate. Then you get the I mean raw material availability in 3 ways. Then you get the raw material availability here, and then you get the ratings for it, and then the total rating. So for each and every molecule, you get the analysis like this, and these analysis we have done for all the 33 therapeutic areas, and for all the there are more than 3,000 molecules on which we have done these studies, and out of which we have filtered top 500 molecules, and out of 500 we have again done the filtration and we have taken out top 50 molecules, and if needed we can provide top 5 molecules as well, based on the filtration, or can be the filtration can be done. So if you are looking for a new business to start with, or if you want to enter into the new molecule, or if you want to understand the global market or any region market, this is the best database which you can opt for. This covers everything and anything about the about any molecule. Like likewise, we can provide such kind of reports for finished doses and for intermediates, excipients, and for other industries as well, like agrochemicals, biosimilars, all of them. Uh, so if you want to know in detail about this report, or if you have any other specific requirement, or if you want to have it customized, please contact us on the given email address or on the phone number. Thank you for your time. You take care. Have a nice day.